Hello guys and welcome to Felda Cuisine, and thanks so much for dropping by to watch our video this time around, and also joining us in the kitchen as we'll prepare the special and wonderful delicacy. And in today's kitchen we'll be making the sumptuous Ponmo stew, and as you were just saying, I made it with yellow rice, but you can actually use this for your yam as a yam stew and any other thing you felt like using. So to start with, make this Ponmo stew, I have my fresh Ponmo, I have my pepper, my tomatoes, onions, and also I'm using spinach for this, just to add aroma flavor to the soup as well. And there are so many other things in which I use. As you've seen, I use my prawn as well. So the first thing is just to cut my Ponmo in a spiral form. You can use any other pattern or any way you like to use it, but I just like spiral. I want to deal with the spiral shape. So as you've seen me doing, I folded my Ponmo inward just to make like a spiral shape like that. But there are some Ponmo in which it is already folded, so that one will actually give you the shape you actually wanted. But this one that I'm using is not spiral, so I had to just fold it in a multiple way. So I started cutting them little by little in smaller chunks, and here I have the whole Ponmo. I finished cutting them in a spiral shape as well. So looking at this, you just have to you want to make it delicious and make it sumptuous as well. So before putting it on in a pan, I blended my pepper. And to blend my pepper, I actually didn't want too much water. I don't want water at all inside my pepper, so I just had to put it inside the blender and just blend it like that. Just give it a blend like that, so it will give me this it won't be so smooth at all. Also blend your pepper in a different way. If you don't want it like this, you can just use your another blend in which it will just grinding it a bit. So the first thing I'll do after that is putting my water in my pot, as you've seen me doing. And then this one, I just want to boil my Ponmo first. And there are so many Ponmo that they are not sweet, not until you boil them with seasoning and with salt before they give you the desired sweetness in which you just wanted to have. So I seasoned my Ponmo, and also I put my salt in it just to give it a nice taste and to give it the sweet taste like the regular one. So, and after that, I had to put this to a boil like that for a few minutes. So it done this way, and then I had to I don't need to bring it out of the pot anymore, so I had to just put my oil inside it. It's not like I'm frying, but I'm just ready to prepare this delicious Ponmo stew. As in, guys, you can't just wait to make this on your own. So I put my oil inside it just to start my preparation. So I notice that the oil isn't enough, so I had to add a little more, so that I won't at the end of the day get a shortage of it won't be what I actually wanted. So I had to add a small oil inside it. So after then, I put my pepper paste inside it, my pepper mix, let me say, inside it gently. The Ponmo is there and I won't want to ruin everything, so I just had to pour it in gently.
So you better start running. No, you can't control. Feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the I'm coming for the throne.
So now I added my blended crayfish, my grinded crayfish. I just love adding this because it gives it another round of flavor. It added so much flavor to my soup, my soup, my anything I want to cook, my vegetable, just give it another flavor and also a nice aroma like that. And that is one of the reasons why I like using my grinded crayfish, and I like that you just like use this as well. So I put my stew to a boil, then I added my prawn inside it just a few minutes after the stew is boiled. So I added my fresh prawn inside it. I didn't actually wanted to boil it first because I just want the taste and the aroma, everything to just go straight inside the stew, so I don't want to lose any. So I just have to like leave it this way, put my fresh prawn after cleaning it, removing the air and the dirt from it. So I just have to put it in this way and make it look so delicious.
So you better start running. No, you can't control. Feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for
So I'm giving this a little stir, so I don't want it to just break inside my stew. So I just have to be gentle with the stirring and all of it and leave it to boil. Then after that, I put my seasoning inside it, and I also added my salt. I already added that to my pomo, and that would have absorbed all of the seasoning and everything. So I had to put another one to make the soup give it the best, like having the best ever stew I have just think of. So then after seasoning it, I had to just put in my spinach inside it, and this is just to garnish my stew because I just like adding vegetable. It's just one of those balanced diet and like that. And not just that, everything is all about flavor, and the nutrient is going to add to your stew as well, or your food most especially. So I added my spinach and I just give it a little fry, a little stir. So I'm not adding too much. You can decide to add so much of that spinach inside your stew depending on how you like it, but I just want the I don't just want a little of it inside my stew just to garnish it and just to make a little appearance and to change the look, not like I'm putting a lot inside. I want the vegetable to be much inside. So here we are, guys. Look at that. It's just so, it looks delicious, like it looks sumptuous looking at it. And here we have our stew is already is ready, like it's done and is ready to be served. Oh my god, like I can't just wait for you guys to prepare this and you like just get to like try this out. And trust me, like whosoever is going to try this recipe in which we have just done in the kitchen is just going to like ask for more, and they're just like, get trust me, they're going to like lick the plate. Oh Jesus. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel so as always get the latest kitchen recipe and everything about cooking here on our channel as well. Thank you so much. Stay tuned and see you in our next video. And also would like you to comment in the comment section box below if you think you have any other recipe or food you wanted us to try out together. We try things out to like give you new ideas on how you can go about cooking and also how to garnish your food, make it look attractive as well. You can just put it in the comment section box if you want us to give you another method or you want us to try another recipe out. All right guys, bye.